Hey campers!
I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Michaela. And today we're going to be doing the third graders science activity, which is activity number 2 of building a catapult. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is in your packets you have 6 green sticks. What you want to do is you want to put those together and then tie the ends around with rubber bands, like as you can see here. Next thing you want to do is you want to set that aside and take the 2 blue sticks and tie them together on one end with one rubber band. Then what you do, you need teamwork for this. You pry open the 2 blue sticks and slide them in like so. Then what you want to do is you take the 2 remaining rubber bands and you tie them together around both the blue and green sticks. There you go. All right, so next thing you want to do is in your packets you have a little white sticker. So what you want to do is you want to peel it off and attach it to the bottom Easter egg, as you can see here. And then put that on the elevated parts of the blue, stick firmly, and then you take your little fuzzy ball, put it in there, and there you go. Al, you want to turn? He's camera shy. Good luck.